Let's talk about Stalker Game Pass and error fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But take a breath, Benoli Hunter, because we're about to cut through the stack. In this video, we'll dive deep into comprehensive troubleshooting steps and proven fixes to conquer that Stalker, the Game Pass sync error, ensuring you can finally step into the zone, get ready to reclaim your adventure, and face the dangers of Chornobyl without technical hitches.
First things first, let's ensure your SPOX-UP and related services are running smoothly. Open the SPOX-UP, log out, and then log back in to refresh your connection. Also, make sure Windows and your SPOX-UP are fully updated. Outdated software is a common culprit. A quick check of your system's date and time settings for automatic synchronization can also work wonders.
If the basics don't work, the buildup of old data might be interfering with your game's ability to sync. Head into Windows Settings, then up and find this box up. Click on Advanced Options and look for the Terminate button, then Reset. This clears the cache and data without you installing it, often resolving stubborn sync issues by giving me a clean slate.
Sometimes the problem runs deeper than just the SPOX-UP itself, affecting the underlying platform. Try resetting the Microsoft Store as it's the primary gateway for Game Pass. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type resettext, then hit enter. This utility will clear the Microsoft Store's cache and often resolves broader syncing problems by refreshing its core components. If all else fails, a clean reinstall of the game might be necessary, but there's a crucial step to remember before reinstalling. Meticulously check your Windows privacy settings for apps to ensure Stalker has all necessary permissions, especially for storage and account access. Then fully uninstall Stalker will restart your and download it fresh from the SPOX-UP or Microsoft Store for a truly clean slate.